Now let's write the Python code. First, we shall import datetime. It is required if we want to count for a specific date range. Else we can remove line 1 and line 16. If datetime module isn't installed, then open command line and type pip install datetime. Now chats come in this format: timestamp, hyphen, name, colon, and lastly the message. So in this program, we loop through each line. If it starts with a date, then we slice that line to extract the name and increment its occurrence in a dictionary. Here you need to edit the path of your chat export file in Downloads folder. Now we create an empty dictionary. Opening the file in read mode. Now loop through each line of the file. Now for each line, we split by comma and take the first item and convert it to date. If the date is in desired range, we move to next step, else skip that line. Now split the line such that it extracts the name of whoever texted. If the name is not in contact, it will take the number and add name or number in dictionary and increment its count. Now some big text goes in next line. For such lines, date won't be there at start and it will throw an error, so we ignore it by pass command. Finally, we sort the dictionary by values, so that whoever texted most will come first and print the dictionary. Okay, all done. Let's run the program and see. Whoa, it's so cool. See, it came perfectly in sorted order, each person and counted their texts. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, please share with your friends and get the code in description box.